In this see how to fix Xbox app slow download speed on Windows. Okay, so first we need to go to search and type run and click run, and you can see the MS settings app features is that. Yes, you need to type this and click OK, or type this and click OK. Yes, click OK. After that you have this icon, and in this you can see the Xbox is that. Click the three dot icon in the right corner and click the advanced option. Yes, click it and scroll down, and you can see the reset is that. In this repair and reset is that. First click repair, and sometimes repair will not work. So if it's not working, you need to go to task manager, end the task and need to do. And also no problem, you can give reset, and once reset there is no problem for your already playing games and your profile. It will not delete. So reset that and go back and search for settings. In the settings, click settings and go to Windows Update. Yes, click it, and here you can see the advanced option is that. Click the advanced option, and here optional update is that. Click it, and here you can see the drive update is that. It's too pending. You need to click and download and install it. After that, go to delivery optimization. Yes, click it, and here you can see the download option is that. In this you need to give absolute bandwidth limit. Yes, you need to give this one. Yes, and after that go back, and after that you go to search and search for Windows security. Yes, click Windows security, and in this you can see the virus and threat protection is that. Click it, and here you can see a manage setting is that. Click, and the real-time protection, it should be in off mode, it should not be in on mode. If it be in on mode, you need to turn it off, and after once you need to restart your PC. After that the problem will fixed. Thank you.